Hey there, my wonderful audience. It's great to be back with another video. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's absolutely essential for anyone looking to up their digital marketing game. It's how to perform a competitive analysis for SEO. Let's break it down. Competitive analysis is like having a secret weapon in your SEO arsenal. It's all about understanding what your competitors are doing so you can do it better. So here's how to make it happen. The first step is to identify your online rivals. Who are they? What keywords are they ranking for? You can uncover this valuable information using tools like Google and social media platforms. Now take a close look at their websites and content. Evaluate their site structure, content quality, and user experience. This is your chance to spot their strengths and pinpoint where you can outshine them. And then explore their backlink profile. Who's linking to their site? Building quality backlinks is a powerful SEO tactic, so it's crucial to keep an eye on your competitors' link sources. Also, you need to keep tabs on their social media presence. Where are they active and what kind of content resonates with their audience? Social media can provide valuable insights into their strategy. Study their keyword game. Identify the keywords they're targeting and there are opportunities you might be missing. And there you have it. You've just learned how to perform a competitive analysis for SEO, giving you the upper hand in the online marketing arena. Remember that SEO is an ongoing journey. Continuously monitor your competitors and adapt your strategy needed. With the right competitive analysis, you can stay ahead of the curve and elevate your digital marketing game. Thank you for joining me on this learning journey today. Once again, thank you for watching how to perform a competitive analysis for SEO. Catch you in the next video.